Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to show sleep, restart and shutdown buttons on Mac login screen. So the login screen does not just let you sign in your Mac, it can also display buttons for sleep, restart and shutdown, allowing anyone at the login screen to perform these actions without sign in first. Some people find this button really useful because they can quickly restart or turn off this Mac if needed. If they are hidden on your Mac, you can easily enable them from the lock screen settings. And to do so, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll a bit and then go to lock screen. Now here, make sure to enable the toggle right to show the sleep, restart and shutdown buttons. And next time when your Mac display the login screen, you will see the sleep, restart and shutdown buttons right on your login screen. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.